To give you an example, if you look at chakra healing, diabetes, you know diabetes, right?
Yes.
If you look at diabetes, it's actually the solar plexus chakra. Okay, here, around the soft bone area. Okay, the solar plexus chakra. Okay, that is not in harmony. Okay, and the interesting thing about this is that when this is not in harmony, usually that person have difficulty obtaining or maintaining personal power. He is feeling that he's losing control of his life. Okay, or he may even have feeling of inferiority. Okay, being over analytical or sarcastic or pessimistic. Okay, so there are other emotional aspects, not just the physical aspect to a particular condition. When you talk about complementary medicine, okay, and it's really interesting because sometimes when you go through alternative treatment, you have to face some of this. If you go to my website, there's a subject on healing crisis. Some people, when they use Biotis, they go through something called healing crisis. And going through that healing crisis, you also go through the emotional crisis that you had when you had that condition at that time.